What's up, Mapuans? Foundation Week has been non-stop action, from exciting moments to hard-earned wins. What a path toward pushing the limits and embracing excellence at the grand celebration.
We've seen some fierce competitions and fierce sportsmanships. Pero, sabay naman natin. How about we test the music skills of our fellow Mapuans?
O nga, are you guys ready to have some fun? I am John Victuazon.
And I am Ali Espino, and it's now time for Finish
The
Lyrics! Can you guys guess the lines of these iconic songs? Let's see if you have what it takes.
O nga, tara!
Kuya! Finish the lyrics.
I finish the lyrics na. Hindi ako magaling sa kanta.
Ano ba talagang mas gusto mo?
Ang beer na to o ang pag-ibig.
Manonood ka ba ng concert bukas?
Opo, bibili pa lang po ng ticket.
Sinong inaabangan mo?
Ano po? Itchy worms.
Ate, finish the lyrics. Tayo'y didisco.
Habang buhay?
Yes, tama. So, bali pupunta po ba kayo ng concert bukas?
Yes.
So, I will assume na inaabangan mo si Blaster.
Akin ka na lang, iingatan ko ang puso mo. I am assuming na Itchy Worms ang pinaka-inaabangan mo? May other artist ka po bang inaabangan for tomorrow? Itchy Worms lang.
Ibuhos na ang beer sa ating lalamunan. So, bali pupunta ba ng concert bukas? First. Sinong ina-expect natin for tomorrow? Siyempre si Blaster.
Dito ka na lang.
Habang buhay.
Attending the concert tomorrow.
Attending the concert po as director.
Kakalimutan na kita.
Ito na. Ano? Ano yan eh? Muni-muni yan eh. Siguraduhin mong hindi talaga pwedeng tayo.
Kang maniwala dyan.
Hindi ko po alam yan, sorry.
Ikaw ba? Alam mo ba yung lyric? You guys attending the concert tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. Meron ba kayong inaabangang artist for tomorrow?
Muni-muni. Blaster.
Dito ka na lang.
Nagugulat naman ako sa
Sana lang. Pupunta ka ba sa concert bukas? Sinong inaabangan mo?
Itchy worms.
Itchy Worms, sino ba?
Yun ang kakilala ko eh.
nais ko dahil wala ka na.
Finish the lyrics! Araw kay tamis ng bukas. Iba yun. Tama ba? Manonood ka ba bukas sa concert?
Bibili na nga ako ng ticket ngayon.
Ay, on the way na pala. Sinong artist inaabangan mo?
Siyempre, Itchy Worms.
Yawn! Thank you! See you tomorrow!
Looks like the Mapuan crowd are almost concert ready.
But how about the performers?